Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto system demonstration from Cipherzero. My name's Marcus
And I'm Maddie.
and today we're going to demonstrate how the crypto system actually works. And we have for you a demonstration system that we've built over the course of about a week. And we're going to take you through an example case with example evidence and example links to other entities. So let's go ahead and let's get straight into it. So I'd ask Maddie to punch in the case ID that we've set up.
Yeah, so today we're going to be using case ID 1. So I just enter it in here and submit it. And I'm presented with the viewing case screen. Marcus can talk more about where this information actually comes from in the back end.
Yeah, so all this information, in fact, comes from the open API that was talked about during the presentation you've just watched. And that serves all of the data and all the functions that this system actually needs. And as you can see, in this case, we've attached some evidence. We can add more evidence if we want to, or we can close the case, but we're just going to go straight to the evidence. So as you can see in the evidence list, one of the pieces of evidence actually has red markings on it, and it's been highlighted, telling us that, in fact, it has actual links to other entities and other evidence. So if we click on that, we'll be able to see, in fact, what it's linked to. And so as you can see here, we've presented the evidence. It is simply a transaction ID. So in a cryptocurrency on a blockchain, you'll usually have a transaction, and transaction is simply made up of a whole bunch of letters and numbers that identify it. And we can see down below, we have some links. And the links are actually linked to two things. So it looks like a private investigator, number 123, has actually associated that evidence with a known scam called, as we called it, pay.me. And we also have linked another company which has actually executed that transaction. So thanks to the help of the private investigators and also the company for submitting their cryptocurrency blockchain data. And so by obtaining a warrant, we'll be able to see who was actually at the center of that cryptocurrency scam. And this is an example case that might happen if the police force does in fact use this system. And I'll hand over to Maddie now to tell you exactly how easy it was to make this system.
Yeah, thanks, Marcus. Yeah, I don't have much experience with the open API technology, but Marcus does. My experience actually lies in, I guess, front end web developing. I've done some course at uni for it. And through Marcus's advice, I was able to set up this website and pull the data from the API in, I guess, a matter of 2 days. So I guess it really goes to show how simple it is to implement this.
And it can be implemented across a whole number of devices, no matter the compatibility, mobile devices, pretty much anything that can access the internet can use this API. And that makes it extremely easy for cryptocurrency businesses to use and also the police force to use. So thank you for joining us for this demonstration, and we hope you've enjoyed, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the event.